So guys, as you can see, this is a preview video. Like I have now already impression 12. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it. Say 21 impression. What is my revenue? 0.019. In a minute, in a second, I just do it without my proxy block. I just invented a new tools that can unblock any proxy block issue, any anonymous block. See, this is the game changer. Bypass Cloudflare, Data Dome, and other bot detector. Click captcha, even Hoyer nested in iframes and shadow domes. I mean, any kind of bot you have detected anonymous, it will not. See, this is the game changer. This is the tool. You have to do just keep your direct link in here, paste it in here URL section. Just it. You do not need to install anything. You do not need to set up anything. I mean, it is already set up already. It is default setup, good setup. Okay, you need just only paste your link here. You direct link, just paste it here and play. There is a play button, you see. This is the game changer. Nothing, no software need. Just go to your Adsterra link and open or copy a direct link. Okay, this is copy a direct link. Okay, and come to, okay, this is, say guys, I always experiment I have so many Adsterra account. I always experiment. Okay, I every time experiment my method, and if any method work very well, I share with you. See, this is the impression. Now I just kept it for you purpose, and this is the tool, and I just copied the direct link, and I am going to paste it in here. Say, after paste it in here, just play button. You need to keep hit in the play button. That's it. See, I am just hitting the play button. Okay, now you see, if it is block me, no problem. It is 1 second need to I have already, they block me. So what? I will unblock it in front of you in a 1 second. Okay, I just refresh it. You need to refresh the tools and then retry. Then you will see the result. Actually, how it is actually work, and it is very easy work. It is no need. See, the ads is now showing, and in a short time the ads is now showing. A simple method, it just solved my problem. I hope it is also solved your problem. And impression and generating money for your Adsterra account is now not in impossible. It is very possible for now, and I hope you understand the process, the method. Just copy. See, now they blocked me, no problem. I will refresh it again. After every refresh, they make a new interface. They make a new method that any ad it will not block. Okay, see, if I play on the button, no problem. What happened? The ad will be unlocked in a while, in a second. I just need to click on the play button. See, the ad is now loading. This is different app, high ad, high RPM, high CPM. This is very easy method to unblock your any kind of proxy block issue. I mean, anonymous proxy block issue. Don't worry, everything work in there, and the method is very safe. And see, now what happened? If I do this again and again, refresh with new direct link, with new add link, no problem. See, I am going to adding a new direct link here. Okay, so after add, I will just hit the play button. Okay, now I am going to refresh it and play. So see, if they try to block my ad, I will unblock it in a second. Same way, just refresh and just hit the play button. It will, in a second, it will unblock your ad link, give you impression in a second. See, this is the game changer, guys. So you can use this method by following my tutorial. Just do as I did. Just do it and see the result. I already shared the result. I will definitely share it with you. Okay, no problem. I will share it with you. And see, there is a setting. In the setting section, you see, in the setting section, I will give you some tips. You can use these tips. You can change your location. The setting is here. Yes, there is so many, 2 or 3 country already have different proxy, different residential address, but Adsterra cannot block you anymore. Your ad will be unblocked for all time now. See, my ad is now showing, and this is the game changer, guys. I can click on the ad, I can play the ad. See, enable user interaction, enable. Say what happened, I can now play the ad, I can serve the ad. This is the game changer. And you just need to go to the tools and paste your direct link in here. Everything okay, everything okay. Do not need to worry about any block. It unblock any kind of Adsterra link in a minute, in a second. Okay guys, see, any kind of, this is already blocked, no problem, I will unblock it. Okay, this is blocked, but I can unblock it within a second, in a minute, and it is very easy. See, the problem is solved now. I will share so many video by using this method, and how can you get more earning technique by using this method. Okay, you always tell how actually it work. It is now working. It is actually a working method, and I am showing you live in the live video, and everything in this video is a very genuine, and it is completely, as you can see, completely working method, and result will result in front of you. No problem, any kind of block it will unblock in a second. I just need to do refresh, that's it. After a 30-second refresh, it gives a new interface to load the ad. So you need to 30-second wait to refresh, then hit the play button. That's it. It will unblock your ad in a very short time. Okay, there is a setting. I will now show you the setting, how actually the setting will work, and how you can change the location of the proxy location. Okay, you can change the proxy location by using this setting. Say there is input setting, there is prettify setting, Mars, export, session, AI. Okay, in the below, very below, you can see there is a setting. Okay, session, yes, there is a session. In this setting you can change the location, but don't on the ad block. If you click on ad block, then it will not load the ad. Okay, say you can enable human like behavior. You can have country change. You like, there is so many country in here, so you can change the country, and it is very easy to use. Okay guys, so I hope you like my video, and you can now unblock any kind of proxy detection, and I hope it will be workable for you. And don't forget to subscribe my video, like my video, and please comment if you find any advanced method. I'll definitely try this, but before complete my video, see the result. Now A21 and revenue already generating. So this is the game changer guys. Work for it and try it. I hope it will be very beneficial for you. Thank you guys. Bye bye.